we listen. This is how we listen. After time, after time. Eyes are watching, ears are listening. Voices quiet, thought is calm. This is how we listen. This is how we listen. After time, after time. Eyes are watching, ears are listening. Voices quiet, body calm. This is how we listen. This is how we listen. After time, after time.
It seems like these kids are lost in the forest. Let's ask them what's happening. Hey guys, are you lost? You guys look really scared. Do you need help? Oh, look who is over there, our friend, Zen the cat. Maybe he can help calm you down.
Hi friends, what's happening? Did you guys get lost? I always do the following pose to make myself feel better. Would you join me? Get on your hands and knees on the ground. Breathe deeply through your nose, and when you exhale, round your back, lowering your chin to your chest. At the same time, press your hands to the ground, rest, and repeat again, at least 5 times.
How lucky that we found Zen the cat. Do you guys feel better? I see Yogi the dog. Let's see if he will help us.
Wolf, I see that you guys are lost, but don't worry. You are close to home. I am going to show you my pose, and you will see how you will feel better. We are going to get on our hands and knees on the ground. Breathe deeply through your nose. And when you exhale, you're going to stretch your legs, stretch your arms, pushing with your hands firmly on the ground. And look at your feet. Return to your knees and relax. You can repeat this pose many times.
So much better, right? You guys aren't going to believe it, but under those rocks, I see Namaste the cobra. Don't be afraid. She's an old friend of mine.
I am Snake Namaste. Do my pose to be as flexible as me. Lie down with your belly on the ground. Put your hands beside your shoulders. Feel your breath inhaling. Press your hands on the ground. Lift your head and chest. Exhale through your mouth and teeth. Listening to the snake sounds. Then rest again, putting your forehead on the ground. And repeat at least 5 times. Your house is that way, near the honeycomb.
We are almost there. Look, Mantra the bee is coming out of the honeycomb.
We are going to relax, friends. I am going to teach you bee breathing. Sit down with your legs crossed. Breathe deeply. And when you exhale, press your fingertips softly over your earlobes, covering your ears. Close your eyes, and at the same time, let out the sound until you exhale completely. Keep your eyes closed, then breathe again and repeat at least 5 times. You will see what a nice feeling it is when you finish. I will fly up high to see where your house is. That way! You are very close.
With the help of our friends and their poses, we have learned that there are different ways to relax when we feel tension in our bodies. Being calm and relaxed, we see everything with more clarity, and we are able to do things better and solve our problems.
Okay, class, who would like to do problem 3 on the board?
These are the days
days of the week. Whoa, these are the days of the week. Whoa, these are the days of the week. Whoa, these are the days of the week. Whoa. Sunday, Sunday, yeah. Sunday, Monday, 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 Tuesday, 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 Wednesday, 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 Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. These are the days of the week. Whoa, these are the days of the week. Whoa, these are the days of the week. Whoa, these are the days of the week. Whoa. Sunday, Sunday, yeah. Sunday, Monday, 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 Tuesday, 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 Wednesday, 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 Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. These are the days of the week. Whoa, these are the days of the week. Whoa, these are the days of the week. Whoa, these are the days of the week. Whoa.
Today is Wednesday.
In this song, I'm going to teach you the 12 months of the year. Are you ready? Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. All right, now let's try to sing them together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. That was great. Now let's sing them.
Friends, today is Wednesday, June 10th, 2020.
Hello, kindergarten. Today we are going to read a book about summer. And we're going to read this because our seasons are changing into summer. Now, the months that are summertime are June, July, and August. And it's almost June, or it is June, depending on when you are seeing this. So we're going to read about the different things that are summer. Ready? The sunshine. The rain, the beach, the swimsuit, the ball, the flowers, the garden, the summer. Look, we can see the sun, the tree has leaves on it. There's a bird at the bird feeder. We have green grass. There are flowers, and generally in Minnesota it gets really hot in the summer. So I hope you liked that story. I'll see you guys later. Bye!
The weather is. The season is.
How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands with me. Let's count our toes. How many toes on one foot? How many toes on one foot? How many toes on one foot? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many toes on 2 feet? How many toes on 2 feet? How many toes on 2 feet? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All done.